Ever wondered how a simple sandwich can transform your health? Let's talk about the humble peanut butter and jelly, or PB&J sandwich. Often seen as a staple in a child's lunchbox, this unassuming meal carries a surprising secret. It's not just a tasty treat, but it can also be a nutritional powerhouse. Yes, you heard it right. This simple, everyday sandwich could be your ticket to better health. So ditch those complicated diets, and let's dive into the world of PB&J. Stay tuned as we unravel the surprising health benefits of the humble PB&J sandwich. Peanut butter and jelly, a blend of taste and nutrition. But what makes it so? Well, the answer lies within the ingredients themselves. Peanut butter, a hearty spread packed with protein, is a muscle builder and energy booster. It's the fuel your body needs to keep running throughout the day. Now let's turn to the bread, but not just any bread, whole grain bread. This isn't your average loaf. It's a fiber-filled powerhouse that aids in digestion and helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied. And let's not forget the jelly. Made from fruits, it's a sweet source of antioxidants. Those little warriors that fight against harmful free radicals in your body. These antioxidants also support your immune system and contribute to your overall health. The combination of these ingredients creates a nutritional symphony that not only tastes great, but also nourishes your body. So it's not just a sandwich, it's a package of essential nutrients. Now that we know the nutritional content, let's delve deeper into the health benefits of a PB&J sandwich. Firstly, packed with protein, PB&J sandwiches are an excellent ally for muscle growth and repair. Protein is the building block of our bodies, aiding in the creation and maintenance of every cell. Whether you're an athlete looking to recover after a strenuous workout, or simply aiming to maintain a healthy body, protein is key. Secondly, the fiber found in PB&J sandwiches brings a wealth of benefits. Fiber plays a crucial role in digestion, helping to maintain a healthy gut. But the benefits don't stop there. Fiber also contributes to heart health by helping to lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Next, let's talk about antioxidants. These powerful compounds are found in the fruits often used in the J of our PB&J sandwich. Antioxidants work like a personal bodyguard for your cells, protecting them from damage and fighting inflammation. This boosts your immune system, helping you stay healthy and resilient. And finally, PB&J sandwiches provide a good source of sustained energy. The combination of complex carbohydrates and proteins provides a steady release of energy, preventing spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. This makes PB&J sandwiches an excellent choice for a sustained boost throughout the day. These benefits show that PB&J sandwiches are not just delicious but also a healthful choice. So, what have we learned about the unassuming PB&J sandwich? We've discovered that this modest meal is more than just a childhood favorite. It's a nutritional powerhouse packed with protein from the peanut butter, fiber from the bread, and vitamins from the jelly. These vital nutrients contribute to muscle growth, improved digestion, and overall body maintenance. We delved into the numerous health benefits associated with PB&J sandwiches. We learned that they can help manage weight, promote heart health, and even boost your energy levels. These advantages are largely thanks to the combination of healthy fats, proteins, and complex carbs. We also emphasize the importance of balance. Enjoying a PB&J sandwich is a great way to incorporate these benefits into your diet, but remember, it should be part of a varied and balanced meal plan. Next time you're reaching for a quick bite, remember, a PB&J sandwich is more than just comfort food. It's a step towards better health.